Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on VI commands, right? Unix VI commands. So VI is a text editor available in Unix and it's very frequently used on the Unix file system. So you need to be familiar with the VI if you want to, really comfortably work with the files available in Unix or Linux environment, right? So right now, as you can see, I'm inside a Unix terminal shell and I'm in my current user directory, right? So let's list out the files that we have. Let me go into desktop. Okay. Okay, we'll create a file, right? So so we will create a file called, let's say, touch test.txt inside downloads. Okay, and then we want to edit the file using the vi editor. So the command to enter the vi editor mode is vi test.txt and hit enter, right? So you see all these tildes appearing below the cursor. Those are something which are like those lines are not available basically for editing. Okay, so the very first command that I'm gonna explain is the insert mode, right? So when if you just start typing something, it will basically not work. Okay, it will not work. See, I'm typing a lot of things, but it will not work unless I press the key I. Okay, so I is for insert, and if you want to escape the insert mode, hit on escape, right? And then you can write any command. Okay, so let me go into the insert mode and write couple of lines of text, right? Let's say text line 1, enter, test line 2, enter, test line 3. Okay, and then I hit escape to exit the insert mode, right? Now there's a O command, right? Small o, right? In lowercase o basically inserts a line automatically when you hit the O without the caps lock on. Okay, now let me go into this line, exit the insert mode, have the caps lock on and hit the capital O. It will insert the line above the line that where your cursor was. Okay, so those are some insert line commands that you should know. Small o to insert below the current line, and capital O to insert above the current line, right? Now how to now I'll escape from the insert mode again, and then I will tell you how to move around, right? So moving around is pretty easy. So you have H, J, K and L, which are consecutive keys on your keyboard, right? So J and K are basically one second. Okay, okay. No identifier under the cursor. So it basically has no identifier under the cursor. One second. Let me do it. Right. So if you hit L, right? So it will take you to the next line. H and L, these are taking you to the top and bottom position of your document. So these are very important to know because at most times you might be able to, you want to maybe reach the end of the document and insert at the end of the document, or write something at the beginning of the document, and then when you have reached the beginning of the document, hit I, and then again press capital O, so that and escape insert, press capital O, so that inserts the new line, and then you can say test line 0 maybe, right? So those are the commands. Now basically there are other options, so which are like you want to, let's say, find certain strings in this text file, right? So for that we use the you will have to use slash. You have to escape from the insert mode by hitting escape and then hit the slash, and then let's say test, right? Enter. See, the cursor automatically takes you to that line. Now if you want to see the next iteration of the word test, hit n, again hit n, again hit n, so it will tell you where the string that you're searching with is present. Now there's another option to search from end, right? So that is question mark. So when you do question mark of, let's say, line, right? So what you can and then hit enter, it will say that one second. Maybe I was in test. Yeah, see, it starts from the bottom, right? It starts the search from the bottom, and then when you hit next, it goes all the way to the top. So that's another way of searching for a string in using VI. Okay, now how to save a file that you created, right? So you again go back from the insert mode and type colon and W. Okay, so that's gonna save your file. Okay, see, 508 written test.txt. okay, now that's how the file is written. Now we can do Q and enter. So Q is for quit command. So you are back to the Unix console now. So now if we list the directory, we have test.txt, and if we want to see the contents, we can see that like test.txt, enter, right? So like that. So let's open this again, vi test.txt, and then this time, one second, I think it opened something different. It's test.txt, yeah. So let's say you want to copy something, right? Let's say I want to copy the first line into the blank line that's there after third line. So the command for that is yy, okay, and then to paste it, you just hit P. See, it pasted that line. Wherever your cursor is on, you hit yy, and then wherever you want to paste, hit P. It's gonna copy and paste your code that way. Okay, so I think those are the basic commands for VI that we'll be needing. And if you want to save and close the file at the same time, use colon WQ and hit enter. So I think that's about it about the VI commands, and hope you got familiar with the most of the commands of VI that we regularly use. And if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, I suggest you do so, because I'll be bringing more such videos. And thanks a lot for watching.